typical scenario, an enzyme has an active site where the substrate binds, creating the enzyme-substrate complex. It is then when the enzyme catalyzes the reaction, forming the product. For question number 7, the correct answer is B. A competitive inhibitor is one that binds to the active site in place of the substrate and does not destroy the substrate. A competitive inhibitor would occupy the active site on the enzyme, forming an inhibitor-enzyme complex and blocking the substrate's ability to bind. Hence, no product is created. The competitive inhibitor's shape can only be accommodated by the active site. The allosteric site is a site other than the active site on the enzyme. A compound that binds to an enzyme and changes its shape so that a substrate cannot enter the active site is called a noncompetitive inhibitor. An effector molecule, a type of noncompetitive inhibitor, binds to the allosteric site on the enzyme, changing the shape of the active site to inhibit the substrate from binding. A competitive inhibitor would occupy the active site on the enzyme, blocking the substrate's ability to bind. Hence, no product is created. A steroid is a possible substrate that binds to the active site to form an enzyme-catalyzed reaction. A coenzyme is a molecule that binds to the active site to change the shape of the active site, allowing the substrate to bind. A proenzyme is a premature inactive enzyme that must be cleaved in order to create an active enzyme which will allow the substrate to bind.